Alright, hey, what's up guys? It's Zach, and I want to make a review of Object Dock today, which is the dock that you can see right here. I'm just going to show you how to get it, how I set it up, how I like it the best. Pretty much this is just a dock. It's similar to Rocket Dock, which is something that people know a little more about usually, but I like this one better a lot, because you can do a lot more custom things, and this is not the paid version of Object Dock, which you can get, which is called Object Dock Plus, but I didn't get that because I don't feel like paying money for it. But if you want that, you can. So pretty much here, I'll go down here, click on this on YouTube, go to, I believe it's www.objectdock.com. Yeah, so it's made by Stardock, and as I said, here's the plus version where you can get a couple more features, but I didn't get that. So here, you go here, you see for personal use, animated dock, blah blah blah, it tells you about it, but I'll tell you about it later. So go click on that download it, do all that. It's through CNET, which is a really good site, which is where I get most of my downloads from. So yeah, and then once you download it, you will open it up, and I'll quit out of this for now, and it pops this back up. So once you get into it, go search for it here, unless you got an icon on your desktop, and it pulls this up. So mine's already set up like I want it, but I'll show you some of the features of Object Dock. Pretty much, let's say I want to put Orbit, this thing on here, onto the dock. I just click on it and drag it up here, and then yeah, if you drag it up like that, it automatically pins it. But let's say I want to just open it like that. You see how it's there right now, but then when I exit out, it's gone. So let's say you want to open up a program similar to just the Windows 7 Explorer anyways. But let's say I don't want it to go away when I exit it. You go down here, click on the icon, and click pin to taskbar, and then you can move it around, and even though I closed it, it's still pinned there. So you can do a lot of cool features with this. Like, it comes with this weather thing on it. Yours will look different because I already customized mine, but here, let me try to get to the settings. Alright, so here's the settings of the program. So on my dock, you can add a new shortcut, which means you can add like a shortcut to a web page like YouTube or Rhapsody, which are both web pages, not programs. Like most other things, you can add a separator where there'll be a little space in between whatever programs you want, or you can add a docklet, which is what this is, which is where you pull it up and it brings you your weather and stuff like that. And this is a docklet too that tells me my battery power. And then you can change the position, like how far you want it left or right or centered, or like that, left, right, centered. You can tell it you can tell the program if you want it on the top, on the bottom, on the left, on the right, which all look pretty cool. I like keeping mine on the bottom for now because it's what I'm most used to go get my programs. And then you can change the size of it. The size of the dock itself and the programs on it, and you can change the size that you want it to be when you zoom in, but I think I had it at 103. You can change a lot of different customization things. Like I said before, here's what I decided to make it look like right now, but you get all of these with just the free version. You can change that down there, which that looks pretty cool. I might change it to that, but for now I'm keeping it here. Change the transparency. That's pretty self-explanatory. It makes it so that you can see less or more. If you look down here, you can see it clear or less clear, the dock itself. Effect, you can say what effect you want it to have when you put your mouse over it. So if you haven't been able to tell, this is pretty much imitation of the OS software to this stuff. So I showed you the different effects. You can say how much you want the effects to work. You can say if you want it to keep on top, which means it will always be shown. Keep it on the bottom, which it will not be the dock. You won't be able to see the dock if you have other programs open. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. This is Object Dock. It's something I really like, and it's really been easy to use and fun to use. It makes your desktop a lot easier to use. And here's the hide Windows taskbar. You probably want to click that too, so that every time you come down here, it doesn't pop open that too. So alright, see you guys later. I will see you in the next video. If you want any particular software reviews, just let me know. Send me a message, comment on this video, like it, and I will see you guys later. Bye.